If you think you are paying a lot for Netflix subscription or you just can't afford the current subscription prices, I've got a solution for you. For those who don't know, Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries through internet-connected devices. And this comes with a cost. For you to get the best they offer, you must pay $12 a month. Let me tell you something. Now you can get this service a lot cheaper. I found this website called Gamsgo. Gamsgo is a platform where you find shared premium subscriptions. Here you have services like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, Disney+, HBO Max, Tidal, Diesel, and Crunchyroll. Now shared subscriptions means that you will be sharing this account with somebody else. For this kind of service subscription, you will get a profile. Now here the rule is simple. Don't touch somebody else's profile, just yours. The process to get a subscription here is very simple. Go to their website, which is www.gamsgo.com. Click on subscription. Put here your email. Then click on send code. In your email box, you will receive a 4-digit code. Paste it here and click on login without registration. You can skip this step. Once you have done that, you will be sent back to Gamsgo homepage. For this tutorial, I want to purchase a Netflix subscription. So here under Netflix, I'm going to click on it. You will have right here at the top a brief description on how it works. Remember that this is a shared subscription, so you will be sharing this subscription with 5 people. And then because this is what I want, I'm going to click here on purchase a shared subscription right now. You can see here that you can purchase a Netflix subscription for just $3.87 a month. If you go for more months, you will get a bigger discount. Then right here, you can select the number of users you want. Here you just have 2 options, 1 and 5, which means 1 user or 5 users for the same account. To get an extra discount, use the coupon code Wilson. Then click on Go to Payment. Select your payment method. You have a lot of options here. Select the one you want and click on Go to Payment. Once you have completed this process, click on View Subscriptions. You can see here that I have Netflix, Gamsgo VIP account. So this is Netflix Premium subscription. You can see down here that they provide you with the username and the password. Remember that this is shared account. Down here you can see other users that are using the same account. And right here at the top you can see profile. So this is going to be your profile when you sign in to Netflix. Now that you have the details, go to Netflix. Using the details from the Gamsgo, click on sign in and write them here. Use that email that they provided and the password that they also provided. Now here, remember that this is a shared account. You can see here that there are already 4 users in this account. You will be the 5th one. So remember that your profile is number 2. So right here, we are going to select number 2. There you go, guys. Now you have Netflix Premium account for you to enjoy. You can use this account on any device, on your computer and on your mobile phone. That's all, everyone. All the links you will need, you'll find it in the description of this video. Enjoy your Netflix subscription. I'll see you in the next video.